Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss two types of questions from the chapter AP that often comes in exam. However, this kind of questions are not there in your textbook. The first one is if n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP, find the value of n. So now the terms that are given to you are n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 and they are saying they are in AP. So if they are in AP, the second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. That means 4n minus 1 minus n minus 2, second term minus first term, is equal to 5n plus 2 minus 4n minus 1, third term minus second term. So if I simplify this one, this will be 3n plus 1, and if I simplify this one, this will be n plus 3. That means 2n is equal to 2, and which implies n is equal to 1. So my final value of n is 1. Alright, this is the first type of question. Now let's go and check the second type of question. Okay, so the next question is find the middlemost term of the AP minus 11 minus 7 minus 3 dot dot 49. So let me rewrite the AP here, minus 11 minus 7 minus 3 and my last term is 49. So what is the first term here? First term is minus 11. What is my common difference? Second term minus the first term, that means minus 7 plus 11, that will be 4. And what is my last term? My last term is 49. Now we all know the formula for last term. Last term is 49. That means last term is a plus n minus 1 into t is equal to 49. So that means my a is minus 11 plus n minus 1 and my d is 4 is equal to 49. Now if you simplify this one and find the value of n, your n should be 16. Okay, so my n is 16. Now what is the meaning of n is equal to 16? That means in this AP minus 11 minus 7 minus 3 dot 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 49, n is equal to 16 means there are 16 terms, isn't it? Now you have to find a middle term. If there are 16 terms, what are the middle terms? Now the concept of statistics will be applied here. If there are 16 terms, my middle terms are, so 8 and 9. How it is? Because if you have learned in statistics, if there are n terms, if n is even, then my middle terms are n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. You have learned this concept while finding median. So if there are 16 terms, so my middle terms are, there will be two middle terms in this case. So my middle terms are 16 by 2th term and 16 by 2 plus 1th term, isn't it? That means the 8th term and the 9th term, these are my middle terms. Okay, so now I have to find 8 and the 9th term. Let me write the AP again, minus 11 minus 7 minus 3 dot 49. A is minus 11, D is, we have calculated 4. So what is my 8th term then? A8 is A plus 7D. So minus 11 plus 7 into 4, 28 minus 11, that is 17. And my 9th term is obviously 8th term plus D. Common difference to add koribo lage. So this is 17 plus 4, that is 21. Okay, so my middle terms are A8 and A9, 17 and 21. Alright, so in the next video we shall be covering more types of questions that comes in exam.